Today we will do some word problems based on area and perimeter. So let's begin. Our first question is, the square plot has a perimeter of 360 meter. Find the side and area of that plot. Here perimeter is given, which is 360 meter, and we have to find the side and area of that plot. It is a square plot, and we know the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Here we have to find the side. So we can write the formula as side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. On putting the values, we get 360 divided by 4, which gives 90 meter. So the side of a plot is 90 meter, and the formula for area is side into side. On putting values, we get 90 multiplied by 90 square meter, which is equal to 8100 square meter. So the area of a plot is 8100 square meter. Now the second question, if the area of a park is 450 square centimeter and the length of a park is 15 centimeter, find the breadth and perimeter of a park. Here area of a park is given, which is equal to 450 square centimeter, and length is equal to 15 centimeter, and we have to find the breadth and perimeter of a park. Let's start writing. Area of a park is 450 square centimeter, length of a park is 15 centimeter, and breadth is unknown. Formula for area is length into breadth. As we have to find the breadth, so our formula will become breadth is equal to area divided by length. On putting values, we get 450 divided by 15, which is equal to 30 centimeter. So breadth of a park is equal to 30 centimeter. Now the perimeter, whose formula is 2 into L plus B. On substituting value, we get 2 into 15 plus 30, which is equal to 2 into 45, gives 90 centimeters. So the perimeter of a park is 90 centimeter. Now to find the cost of fencing, first we find the perimeter, then multiply the perimeter with the cost of fencing per unit. So we can write cost of fencing is equal to perimeter multiply cost per unit. Start with first question, which is the length and breadth of a plot is 25 meter and 12 meter respectively. Find the cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 22 per meter. Here the length is given, which is equal to 25 meter, and breadth is equal to 12 meter, and we have to find the cost of fencing at the rate of 22 per meter. So start writing. Length of a plot is equal to 25 meter. Breadth of a plot is equal to 12 meter. We know perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. On putting value, we get 2 into 25 plus 12, which is equal to 2 into 37, which is 74 meter. So the perimeter of a plot is 74 meter. Here the cost of fencing for 1 meter is equal to rupees 22. The cost of fencing for 74 meter is equal to 74 multiplied 22, which gives 1628 rupees. Hence the cost of fencing of a plot is rupees 1628. Now second question, the side of a square park is 19 meter. Find the cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 17 per meter. Here the side of a square park is equal to 19 meter, and we have to find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 17 per meter. So let's start writing. Side of a square is 19 meter. Perimeter of a square we know, which is equal to 4 into side. On substituting, we get 4 multiply 19, which is equal to 76 meter. So the perimeter of a square park is 76 meter. As given, the cost of fencing for 1 meter is equal to rupees 78. So, the cost of fencing for 76 meter is equal to 76 multiplies 17, which is equal to 1292 rupees. Hence, the cost of a fencing square park is 1292 rupees. If we have to find the cost of painting or tiling, what we will do? For this, first we will find out the area. Then multiply the area with the cost of painting or tiling per square unit. So we can write cost of painting or tiling is equal to area multiply cost per square unit. Let's start question first. Find the cost of leveling a plot of dimensions 70 into 20 meter at the rate of rupees 35 per square meter. Here the dimension is given, which is equal to 70 into 20 meter, and we have to find the cost of leveling a plot at a rate of rupees per square meter. So our answer begin with dimension of a plot is equal to 70 multiply 20, and we know area of a plot is equal to length multiply breadth. On substituting value, we get 70 multiply 20, which is equal to 1400 square meter. Here the rate of leveling for 1 square meter is given, which is equal to rupees 35. So rate of leveling for 1400 square meter is equal to 1400 multiply 35, which gives 49,000 rupees. Hence the cost for leveling the plot is 49,000 rupees. Second question. Find the cost of tiling a square plot having a side of 38 meter at the rate of rupees 35 per square meter. Given side of a square plot is 38 meter, and we have to find the cost of tiling a square plot at a rate of rupees 35 per square meter. Our answer is side of a plot is 38 meter. And area of a plot we know is side into side. On substituting value, we get 38 multiply 38, which gives 1444 square meter. Here the rate of a tiling for 1 square meter is given, which is equal to rupees 35. So rate of tiling for 1444 square meter is equal to 1444 multiply 35, which gives 50,540 rupees. Hence the cost for tiling the plot is 50,540 rupees. Now the last question. Kamal has to put tiles in his room, which is 12 meter long and 8 meter wide. Find the cost of tiling the room if the rate is rupees 80 per meter square. Here length is given 12 meter and breadth is given 8 meter, and we have to find the cost of tiling the room at the rate of rupees 80 per meter square. So length of a tile is equal to 12 meter, width of a tile is 8 meter, and we know area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. On substituting value, we get 12 into 8 is equal to 96 square meter. Now the cost of tiling 1 square meter is equal to 80 rupees. So cost of tiling 96 square meter is equal to rupees 80 multiply 96, which gives 1680 rupees. So the cost of tiling the room is rupees 7680. I hope all of you understand the word problems based on area and perimeter. Thank you.